Good morning.
Good morning. Listen for the Blue Jays.
The Blue Jays are having a war.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Of course, because
Oh, there we go.
there they are. So we're up taking a walk. Right before we went outside, I got an email because I'm copied now on like all of the communication with the agents. The agent's communication with Julian. He has a commercial shoot tomorrow. And he just got the call sheet and he got all of the information. And he's acting with somebody that he started his professional career with. It's him and this other guy. And oh my gosh. And he's still asleep. So he doesn't know this. And I'm like, God. And it's somebody that Gabriel acted with too. Okay. The goose is off the roof now. But are we going to have a kerfuffle? This is the other goose is actually on the roof. I don't even know if it's picking up. Yeah, the other goose is on the roof. Cornelius. Mr. Fluffy.
He just pooped on you.
Did he poop on me?
Yeah.
All right, I am headed to my staff meeting. But I am unusually emotional about something right now. I've caught myself by surprise this morning. I'm very excited for Julian. I'm very excited for Julian for his commercial that he's booked, first of all, but like tomorrow he's shooting a commercial and it's gonna air for 2 years. And also he's going to be acting with somebody that we already know. And also we found a place for him to stay tonight with a friend that I haven't even seen her for a long time. And just the fact that she's willing to let him crash on their couch, it's got me like up in my feels. I'm just like, I just feel so incredibly thankful that we have people, even though we're not really in touch with them, people who have told me, oh, if for some reason you guys book something in this area and you need a place to stay, let us know. And she said that years ago, like literal years and years ago, whenever the boys first started acting professionally. And I thought, I'm just gonna ask, and he's gonna stay there. So I'm really excited. So we're having our monthly lunch, and it's also technically like a birthday celebration for those of us who were born in the month of May, who are awesome. That would be Gina and I. And look, there are balloons. She's sharing her balloons with me. Thank you, Gina. He thinks it's a foot.
I have no idea. Probably. Weirdo.
Cornelius. It's not really a foot. It's a sock. Gross. He likes being in there. He wants to be in there.
Can you grab my phone, please? Please.
Final clip.
Final.
All right. I'm very tired.
She is. I saw her yawning
I was yawning.
several times.
And now I'm yawning again.
Yep.
Excuse me. We were watching a new show called The Madison. Is that what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
Beth recommended it, and it has Michelle Pfeiffer and Kurt Russell. And
Had her.
well, no, that's a spoiler. I'm not going to share that with them. And so, so far it's pretty good. And I don't know. We gonna watch it again?
I'll give it one more shot.
Well, yeah, I think we're gonna keep watching it. Tomorrow is Thursday. We are getting our piano tuned in the morning, late morning, and I'm also gonna go look at costumes at well, yes, different Finding Nemo things, and then I have a rehearsal one-on-one with somebody, and then choir practice in the evening. So until tomorrow.
Mañana.